In this video, you're going to learn how to get the TikTok Creator Marketplace. This video helps you out. Tap the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to your profile icon. That's the one that says Me in the bottom right-hand corner. Go ahead and click on Me. It's going to bring you to a page that looks similar to this. From this page, go to the top right-hand side of the screen where you see those three black vertical dots. Click on those dots. That's going to open up your settings and privacy page. In the first heading underneath Account, it says Manage My Account. Go ahead and click on Manage My Account. At the bottom of that list, it says Switch to Pro Account, written in red. Go ahead and click on Switch to Pro Account. It's going to give you a choice of Creator or Business. Choose Creator. And then you're going to want to choose Brand as your category. Then click Next. It asks you for your gender. You can choose any gender, non-binary, or prefer not to say. I'm going to answer male. Then click Done. Welcome to your creator account, Shane Smith. You can explore your analytics, or you can do that later by pressing Cancel. Still on the settings and privacy page, still in the account heading, you're going to want to go almost all the way to the bottom where it says Creator, right above Tick Code and right below Share Profile. Click on Creator. Here you have your analytics, your TikTok Creator Marketplace, and the TikTok Creator Fund. Go ahead and click on TikTok Creator Marketplace. And here you are on the TikTok Creator Marketplace. You can connect with brands. It says TikTok Creator Marketplace is the official platform for brands and creators to collaborate on TikTok. By joining, you may receive invitations from brands on TikTok that are interested in working with you. There are some requirements. You need over 100,000 followers. You need to have posted 3 videos in the last 28 days. You need to have received over 100,000 video likes in the last 28 days, and you need to be at least 18 years old. And then you can also click on this button that says Notify me when I qualify. Alright, we'll let you know when you qualify. If you want to back out, just back out the arrow on the left-hand side of the screen at the top. You can back out again, and you can back out one more time to be on your profile page where you can go to the home section, or anywhere you like. Thank you very much for watching this video. If it did help you out, definitely tap that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. However, if it did not help you out, please tap the thumbs down and let me know in the comments how we can help. Thank you so much again. Have a great day.